20th game. Wow, already 20. Okay, have a nice game. Oh, my opponent. He also has played about 7,000 game. And even his information is good. He knows the popular joseki. Okay, then get in again at 3-3. Oh, he knows everything. Information is really perfect. Then, okay, let's switch to the left hand side. He loves to use the simple joseki. Double 4-4. Ah, you mean double 4-4. Okay. Is racing to the center. Oh, head there. Fine. Separate. You love to play at 4-4. Actually, 4-4 was popular about 30 minutes ago, 30 years ago, before AI, when Ichangho was world champion. Yeah, he made the 3-3 really popular, but now become popular after since AI. Yeah. Oh, capturing is making me a little bit dilemma. Should I play here? I think maybe he is waiting for this move. Can he make me danger? What if he plays knight move there? Then what should I do? But if I just answer, then this two space jump is making me also painful. I really want to go to the knight move here, but I'm afraid that whether he has something to do at the lower side. G17 here. Yeah, I have to accept him to go back home. I have to fight with the 3 stones then. Now is the problem. Should I answer with 1 space jump? My opponent is very... What? How come he resigned? How come? Oh, he is so impatient. I was really thinking just now. In the chat, then he really typed doing? Are you playing? And then I was just thinking for 1 minute. How come he's so impatient? Yeah, I win. Can I say I win? I was really thinking a while just now whether I need to play this move, and I felt that this is a little bit painful. Yeah, because in case I just need to go out like this. If I have to push his back, then he's holding the potential. I really wanted to play here, but what about he goes here? Like this, and can I cover? And even this is also hard, like double hane. Can I even cover here? It's quite annoying for me. Yeah. Thank you for following me. I cannot think this game, but why not? Yeah, I'm spending my time. Yeah, I'm spending my basic time. Yeah, there is no reason to resign. Yeah, just I think he was too impatient. Okay, so I won. Yeah, can I say I won? Yeah, anyway, yeah, he just resigned.